Hi, this is Shrish, UR140CS072. This is my fourth experiment. The name of the experiment is set operations and joins. The schema for this question is given, and along with the data set, I have used this data set and I have created the tables as mentioned in the questions. Here are the tables: table customer, order 1, order line, products, supplier. That's all. So let's jump to the questions now. The first question is display the products that was ordered and delivered using union. So the command is select product ID from order line within brackets, union, select product ID from supplier, PID from supplier. So it takes a union of this both results and it displays. Here's the answer. Here are the rows selected. The second question is display the details of the products that are yet to be delivered using minus. So the SQL query is select product ID from order line within brackets minus select product from supplier. So the selected rows are these. The next question is select the name of the customer who has placed an order after 10th October 2014. So the query is select C.customer name from customer C, order 1O, where C.customer ID is equal to O.customer ID, where order ID is greater than 10th October 14. So it selects all the rows which have order date greater than 10th October 2014. But if you see in the question, none of the orders given are have a date greater than 10th October 2014. So no rows are selected. The next question is display the details of the products that are delivered within 10 days. The syntax for this is, that is the query for this is, select O.order ID, P.product ID, P1.product description from order 1O, order ID P, product P1, where O.order ID is equal to P.order ID and P.product ID is equal to P1.product ID, and order date between October 1 October 2014 and 10 October 14. So what it does over here is it finds a match for these queries given here, and along with the condition given here, that is order date should be between 1st October and 10th October, that is 10 days as mentioned in the question, within 10 days. So the rows selected here are given below. These are the rows selected. The next question would be display the details of question number 5. Display details of customer who has received their ordered product. So the query is select C.customer name O.order ID from customer C, order 1O, where C.customer ID is equal to O.customer ID. So it displays all the customers who have received their ordered product. This is the selected row. The next question is display the details of the products whose quantity is greater than 10. So the query is select O.ordered quantity P.product description from order line O, product P, where O.product ID is equal to P.product ID and ordered quantity is greater than 10. So these conditions have to be matched along with order quantity being greater than 10. So the selected rows are here. The next question is Display the details of order ID within order date and customer name using inner join. So the query is select c.customer name o.order ID o.order date from customer C, inner join order 1 o on customer C, and c.customer ID is equal to o.customer ID. So here are the selected rows. Next, question number 8. Display the details of all the products that have been ordered and also the details of the delivered products using left outer join. So the query is select o.order ID p.product description p.product ID from order line O left outer join product P on product ID is equal to o.product ID, and here are the selected rows. The next question is display the details of all customers as well as the order details using full outer join. So the query is select star, because we are displaying full, from customer C full outer join order 1 O on C customer ID is equal to O customer ID. So these are the selected rows. The last question is display the details of the supplier who has supplied office desk. So the query is select star from supplier C product P, where p.product ID is equal to s.product ID and product description is equal to office desk. So the resultant rows are these. Thank you.